Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing Looney Tunes Michigan Frog, which is kind of a dancing frog. So I'm going to take my pencil and get this laid out first, because he's a dancing, moving frog. There's his top hat, and if you can't see that, that's what I'm going for, because it's pretty light. All right, so now that I know where everything is, I'm gonna get my marker going, and you're using your pencil. So I'm gonna start right about here and draw a line coming across, back down, and then a curvy line right here. Then I'm gonna draw a line coming down and a curvy line like that. And then I have a curvy line right here, and it is a double thick line. All right, I'm gonna skip over here and draw a line coming around, down, 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 like so. And then I'm gonna draw a line coming down like that. And then here's the beginning of his leg. All right, and then here's his leg coming up, and his little frog feet. So putting a V, ball, V, ball, and then it's coming back down. Here's his little frog calf, and then it's gonna come down where his bottom is, back around. And I'm gonna wait there for a second because I gotta put his arm on. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, make another line like that. I'll line up here, and then I'm gonna do a kind of a curvy line like that. And then this is gonna come up inside of it. And this is where his hat is. Curvy line there, coming back down. And then we've got his eyeball here, another eyeball here that's a little bit bigger. Black that in, black that in, and then he's got a little bit more to his mouth up here, like kind of an M line like that. And then he's got some fingers up here that are just oval-y kind of shapes, like so. And then this is his bigger finger, because he's got his arm behind himself as he's dancing. And then here's his arm, and he's got couple fingers, and it comes back down, comes up, and then we've got the cane here coming through. And if you've never seen this cartoon, you should watch it. It's pretty funny. I loved watching it. Okay, then here's his other leg, and and it comes down and then back up, and then down, circle up, and he's got a few of those. And then of course he's got one that comes out. And there we have it, the dancing Michigan frog. Here's his tongue. Yep, I think that does it. Hello, my baby. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.